Hello, Jamison Spencer here. I would like to invite you to Glidewell's first Sleep Symposium. Now, if you've ever taken a program with Glidewell, you know that they pack more CE value into their educational programs than anyone else, and this symposium will not disappoint. It is April 21st and 22nd, a full day on Friday and a half day on Saturday. Whether you are just getting interested in dental sleep medicine, you've heard and maybe taken some little courses, or maybe you've seen some of the videos at glidewelldental.com, maybe one of mine, and you'd like to learn a little bit more, this symposium is going to be for you. On the other hand, maybe you fit a bunch of different appliances and you're looking to take your knowledge base to the next level. This symposium will be for you. They've put together a group of doctors and professionals in the sleep space that will be going over everything from the basics of sleep to more advanced techniques that will challenge paradigms that you've had in dentistry and health in general. So I encourage you to look over everything that's going to be offered on Friday, the full day on Friday. There's going to be kind of quick presentations from multiple different speakers, and then on Saturday will be your opportunity to spend a little bit more time with these speakers from Friday in a workshop type environment with multiple different workshops for you to choose from. I believe you will find no better value anywhere in this space for a program of this caliber, so I hope to see you April 21st and 22nd at Glidewell. Take care.